Welcome back to the China Law 101 video series. I'm your host, Edgar Choi from Law in a Minute. In today's video, we will talk about whether or not you can smoke weed in China.
Weed, also known as marijuana or cannabis, is a psychoactive drug made from the dried leaves, flowers, and stems of the cannabis plant. The drug contains various chemical compounds, including THC, which is responsible for its psychoactive effects. When smoked or consumed, weed can produce a range of effects, including relaxation, altered perception, increased appetite, and heightened sensory experiences. It is often used for recreational or medicinal purposes and has been legalized in some countries for medical or recreational use, like Canada, some states in the US like California and Colorado, and Thailand most recently. China has extremely strict drug laws, and the possession, sale, and use of marijuana can result in severe legal consequences. China's drug laws classify marijuana as a Schedule I drug along with other drugs like heroin and cocaine. This means that possession, trafficking, and use of marijuana is illegal and results in severe penalties, including the death penalty. The severity of the punishment for marijuana possession, sale, or use depends on the amount involved and the circumstances of the offense. For example, possession of less than 50 grams of marijuana can result in up to 15 days of detention and a fine. This includes any subproducts of weed as well, like cannabis oil, cannabis biscuits, and tea. Smoking weed in other countries where it is illegal is not safe either for you, if you plan on working in China. Under China's Public Security Administration punishment law and detoxification regulations, if you smoke weed before boarding a flight back to China, even if you did not bring any with you, and is found to have used drugs upon disembarking, it is considered the same as using drugs domestically. Once weed is consumed, it leaves traces in biological samples such as urine, blood, saliva, and hair, which becomes evidence of drug use. The detection period of drugs in urine is generally no more than 3 days, while in blood it is generally not more than 24 hours. However, the detection period in hair can be several months or even years. As mentioned earlier, China has a zero-tolerance policy for drugs, so it is very likely that you will be detained and deported for testing positive.
Thank you for watching today's video. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comment section below. Stay tuned for our next episode where we will talk about whether or not you can give all your estates to your mistress.